In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Notion. If you've ever wanted to adjust the overall look of your workspace to better match your style or make your pages easier to read, Notion gives you a simple, built-in way to do that. The process is quick, and it only takes a couple of clicks. First, a quick heads up about how fonts work in Notion. Notion keeps things streamlined, so you can't assign different fonts to individual words, paragraphs, or blocks. Instead, you choose a single font style that applies across your Notion page, giving everything a consistent, clean appearance. This keeps your workspace tidy and prevents visual clutter. Here's how to make the change. Open the Notion page you're working on and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three dots icon. Click that to open the page menu. Inside this menu, you'll find the font options. Notion offers three choices: default, serif, and mono. Default is a modern, sans serif style that's great for everyday notes, task lists, and collaborative documents. Serif adds a classic book-like feel that can be easier on the eyes for longer reading, like documentation or research notes. Mono gives you a fixed width, code-style look that can be helpful for technical content, structured writing, or when you want text to align neatly in columns. Click the option you prefer, and the change applies immediately across the page. There's no save button. What you pick is what you see right away, and you can switch back at any time. A few tips to help you decide. Choose the font that best fits the kind of content you create most often. If you care about clarity and speed, default is hard to beat. If you're preparing longer, more formal writing, serif can make paragraphs feel more readable. If you're organizing tables, formulas, or snippets of code, mono's consistent spacing can keep things aligned and easy to scan. Even though Notion doesn't allow mixing different fonts in the same page, you can still use headings, bold, italics, callouts, and color to emphasize key points while keeping the font consistent. The goal is a clean, professional look with minimal distraction. And that's all there is to it. Open the page, click the three dots, pick default, serif, or mono, and you're done. Try each option, see how it affects your layout, and stick with the one that feels most comfortable for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly styled Notion pages.